Question 1. Which of the following sentences are true about lactic acid bacteria? The correct answer is option D, all of above. They are gram-positive bacteria, non-sporulating bacteria, and used as a probiotics to improve biological function of host. Question 2. Why lactic acid bacteria choose as a vaccine? The correct answer is option D, all of above, because it is a quite acid resistant, preventing digestive tract infection and absence of lipopolysaccharide in their cell wall, which eliminate the risk of endotoxic so lactic acid bacteria choose as a vaccine. Question 3. Lactic acid bacteria found in. The correct answer is option D, all of above. Mucous membrane of human, foodstuffs and many environment niche where lactic acid bacteria are found. Question 4. Which of the following is not a homofermented species of lactic acid bacteria? The correct answer is option C. Leuconostoc is not a homofermented species of lactic acid bacteria, while Vagococcus, Streptococcus, Pediococcus are the homofermented species of lactic acid bacteria. Question 5. The lactic acid fermentation is used for the production of. The correct answer is option A, cheese. The lactic acid fermentation is used for the production of cheese. Question 6. Which of the following lactic acid bacteria is found in plant? The correct answer is option B. Leuconostoc mastrenoides is found in the plant. Question 7. Which of the following substance cannot be utilized by lactic acid bacteria to produce gas? The correct answer is option C. Alkaline is not utilized by lactic acid bacteria to produce gas. Question 8. Habit of halophines bacteria is. The correct answer is option D, all of above. Dead sea, salt, talax and carbonate springs are the habitats of halophils bacteria. Question 9. Unobligate halophils require high. The correct answer is option B, require high salt content, high salt. Question 10. Which of the following sentences are true about archaeobacteria? The correct answer is option A. They are odd living in entities. Question 11. Which of the following bacterium is found in extreme saline condition? The correct answer is option B. Archaeobacter is found in extreme saline condition. Question 12. Methanogens belong to. The correct answer is option A. Archaeobacteria. 30. Which of the following are likely to be present into deep sea water? The correct answer is option C. Archaeobacteria is found in the deep sea water. 14. All of the following are DNA virus except the correct answer is C. Paramyxovirus is not a DNA virus. Question 15. Phycobiont is. The correct answer is B. It is a agar part in lichen. 16. Bacillus is an example of. The correct answer is option B. It is an example of gram-positive bacteria. Question 17. Viral genome that can become integrated into bacterial genome is called. The correct answer is option C. Prophage. 80. The cell having F plasmid in chromoplast were termed as. The correct answer is option D. HFR. 90. Moderate use in gram staining is. The correct answer is iodine. Iodine is used as a moderate in gram staining. 20. Aspergillus fumigates can infect. The correct answer is option B. It infects animals. 21. The percentage of CO2 required by moderate anaerobe is. The correct answer is option C. 2 to 8% required by moderate anaerobe. 22. In the cell wall of gram-negative bacteria, The correct answer is option A. Teichoic acid are absent, while several of gram-negative bacteria teichoic acid are absent. 23. Rod-shaped bacteria known as. The correct answer is option C. It known as bacilli. 24. Thickness of cell wall ranges from. The correct answer is option B. 10 to 25 nanometer. 25. Organelles with hydrolytic enzyme are. The correct answer is option D. It's called lysosome. 26. Capsule formation occur in the presence of. The correct answer is option B. Serum. Capsule formation occur in the presence of serum. 27. Bacterial locomotion accomplished by. The correct answer is option B. Option D. Both B and C. Fimbriae and flagella are responsible for bacterial locomotion. 28. Bacteria multiply by. The correct answer is option A. Binary fission. 29. Metachromatic granules are chemically composed of. The correct answer is option C. Polymetaphosphates. 30. Endospore can be stained with. The correct answer is option D. Malachite green stain is used for the endospore staining. 31. What is the use of alcohol during gram staining? The correct answer is option C. Decolorize the cell. 32. The percentage of alcohol used in gram staining is. The correct answer is option A. 90% alcohol used in gram staining. 33. Sexual reproduction of algae is carried out by. The correct answer is option D. All. Anisogamy, isogamy, ogamy. 34. Alganic acid obtained from. The correct answer is option C. Brown algae. 35. In algae, advanced type of sexual reproduction is. The correct answer is option A. Ogamy is the advanced type of sexual reproduction. 36. Which of the following is obtained nutrients from dead and decaying matter? The correct answer is option B. Saprophytes is obtained nutrients from dead or decaying matter. 37. Example of actinomycetes. The correct answer is option D. All. Dermatophilia, Frankia and Streptomycetes are the example of actinomycetes. 39. Pellicle is found in. The correct answer is option C. Protozoans. Pellicles found in protozoans. 39. The largest virus is. The correct answer is option A. Pox virus is the largest virus. 40. The extracellular infection virus particle is called. The correct answer is option C. Virion. It is the extracellular infection virus particle.